Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your HONOR X5c Plus. So first, go over to the settings. After you open up the settings, go to the sounds and vibration. And here in the volume section, click on show more, and here you will have music, videos and games, and this is our media. And we have the calls, so here we can adjust it. As you guys can see, my settings are on the same value and it's pretty loud, so I'll keep it like that. You guys can match my settings right here or just max it all out. Now what you guys can do next is clean the speaker or the headphone port. So here we have it, we have the headphone port and also we have the speaker grills. Now we definitely want to clean that. It's very important to clean it out because whenever you forget about it, then the dust can just block the volume. After that, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So let's go back to the main page of the settings, scroll a bit down and go to system and updates. Here click on software update and it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software because whenever you don't update it, then you can have a lot of glitches, including your volume being lower. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.